Next is question number 12. Marco is making patterns with grey and white circular mats. The patterns form a sequence. Marco makes a table to show some information about the patterns. Part A is complete the table for pattern 5. For pattern 1, number of grey mats is 6, then 9, then 12, then 15. So next will be 18. And this is 6, then 10, then 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 6 is 21, so 21 plus 7 will be 28. Part B. Find an expression in terms of n for the number of grey mats in pattern n. For pattern 1, number of grey mats is 6. It can be 3 into 1 plus 3. This is 3 into 2 plus 3, 3 into 3 plus 3, 3 into 4 plus 3, 3 into 5 plus 3. So its nth term is 3n plus 3. Part C. Marco makes a pattern with 24 grey mats. Find the total number of mats in this pattern. 24 grey mats. Pattern for n term is 3n plus 3 equals 24. 3n equals 21, n equals 7. This will be the 7th pattern, and this is 5, and this is 21 plus 7. Next will be 28 plus 8, and which is 28 plus 8 is 36. Next will be 36 plus 9. 36 plus 9 is 45. So total number of mats is 45. Next is part D. Marco needs a total of 6 mats to make the first pattern. He needs a total of 16 mats to make the first 2 patterns. He needs a total of 1 over 6 n cube plus a n square plus b n mats to make the first n patterns. Find the value of a and the value of b. For first pattern, n is equal to 1, 1 over 6 into 1 cube plus a into 1 square plus b into 1 equals. For first pattern, he needs a total of 6 mats, so this is equal to 6. This will be a plus b equals 6 minus 1 over 6. 6 minus 1 over 6 is 35 over 6. Okay, he needs a total of 16 mats to make the first 2 patterns. So for second pattern, n is 2. 1 over 6 into 2 cube plus a into 2 square plus b into 2 equals, he needs a total of 16 mats. Now this will be 4a plus 2b equals 16 minus 1 over 6 multiplied by 8. 16 minus 1 over 6 multiplied by 8 is 44 over 3. 4a plus 2b equals 44 over 3. Let's say this is equation 1 and this is equation number 2. Multiplying equation 1 with 4, this will be 4a plus 4b equals 35 over 6 multiplied by 4 is 70 over 3. Actually we are doing 4i minus equation number 2. So 4a plus 2b equals 44 over 3. We will subtract it. This will be cancelled. This is 2b equals 70 over 3 minus 44 over 3 is 26 over 3. Then b is equal to 26 over 3 times 2. 26 over 3 times 2 is 13 over 3. Now by using b equals 13 over 3 in equation 1, this will be a plus 13 over 3 equals 35 over 6. So a equals 35 over 6 minus 13 over 3. 35 over 6 minus 13 over 3 is 3 over 2. Value of a is 3 over 2 and value of b is 13 over 3.